be excited.
Whether you picked up a Brio air fryer oven to make a perfect steak or healthier fries, here's a brief visual guide. Brio comes with lots of hardware, software, and accessories. In this video, you will learn how easy it is to use the Brio, and you can always refer to the printed material. Be careful to remove all plastic wrapping. That includes all plastic that you may have not noticed right away. And make sure that you're not missing parts, and have the quick guide handy as a reference for presets and various recipes. So let's get started. When you turn on your Brio, you will see default setting of 350 degrees for 15 minutes with true preheat. If you're not comfortable with Fahrenheit, you change the display into Celsius by holding temperature button until it changes. Brio comes with unique wattage control button so it can be used virtually anywhere. 900 watts for campers, RV, boats, dorms. 1500 watts for older homes with lower power situation. 1800 watts default setting and suitable for modern homes. Brio boasts true one-touch operation, meaning that once you match the desired food with corresponding preset, your job in kitchen is virtually done. For your better cooking experience, Brio air fryer comes with automatic preheat on certain presets, as preheat often makes a huge difference in the results. However, you can turn off and on the automatic setting as a personal preference, by pressing the program and preheat buttons at the same time and holding for a few seconds. Preheating is time that you can use to prep your ingredients. Once preheating is done, you'll hear a beep and you'll have 5 minutes countdown to insert your food. Once food is in Brio, close the door and Brio will begin cooking and your part in kitchen is done. To see the progress of your food, simply press the light button and it will light up the inside of cooking chamber. One popular usage of Brio is rotisserie or rotisserie basket. To place, the square end goes on the hole on the left side, and the round end drops to the bracket on the right side, giving it a secured setting to rotate during cooking. To operate, press the rotisserie button, adjust temperature and time. Rotisserie function does not work with probe. Digital temperature probe is another feature unique to NUWAVE Brio, as it guarantees perfect result. To operate the probe, plug in the probe first. From default setting, adjust your desired cooking temperature with the up and down button. With other end of probe, insert it into the center of the intended raw food. Press probe button and the current temperature of food should appear. Insert the food into the Brio and close the door. Keep the default target temperature or adjust to your target temperature. You can set from 50 degrees to 212 degrees. Press start and Brio will end when it reaches your set temperature. Do you like steak? Like the professional chef, with Brio, you can brown the steak with flavors and juices locked in using 3 different sear settings on a grill plate. Sear 1, sears the meat before cooking. Sear 2, sears the meat after cooking. Sear 1, 2 or both, sears the meat before and after cooking. Another popular feature is stage cooking, so you can food like corned beef where different temperatures are needed in different stages. By pressing stage and adjusting temperature and time, you'll know that the air fryer is done cooking when you hear it beep. Brio allows saving your own recipe from 101 to 150 slots. Select your temperature and time, hold program to save. Use up and down button to the program number you select and hold, it will be saved to this number. Press keep warm if you're not quite ready to eat. You can adjust the time from 1 minute to 3 hours, or if you need to run errands, but you want hot food ready when you get back home. Simply press delay button and enter the amount of time you want to delay. Set your presets or select your own set temperature and time. Press start and it will delay start. When you are not cooking, use the Brio as a clock. To adjust the clock, press time and preheat together, and adjust time using up and down control. Check out the manual and app for original NUWAVE recipes. Go on and get started. If you need any more info, remember, we have a friendly NUWAVE support team available to help.